Here is part 1 of our short video series on gluing oxygen sensor spots into vessels that are difficult to access. Please prepare a pipette and fitting tips suitable for viscous medium, spatulas and tweezers of different size, ethanol and paper tissue for cleaning, cotton swabs of different length, and of course the silicone glue and your oxygen sensor spots. Optionally, you can prepare a small glass vial and a hole cutting tool to make a convenient container for the glue. We start with a small tip on how to handle the silicone glue. It may not be applicable for your pipette tip shape. First, punch a hole in the plastic lid of the vial, a little larger than your pipette tip size. Fill some of the glue into the vial. Here we fill it to about 1/4. Then put the lid with the hole on. Now prepare your pipette. For standard size sensor spots of 5 mm diameter, you will need about 2 microliters silicone glue. Attach the tip. Here we use a long and slender capillary piston tip for microvolumes. Thread the tip through the hole in the vial lid and pick up the glue. When you remove the pipette tip from the vial, most of the glue sticking to the outside of the tip will be wiped off at the lid, and any further residues can be removed with a paper tissue. This allows clean handling of the glue during spot integration. Whenever integrating a sensor spot in a vessel, it is advisable to have a variety of tools at hand. You might want to pre-test different spatulas or tweezers for placing the spot in the vessel without using any glue first. Pick the tools you feel most comfortable with and get your vessel ready. In small vessels, it is easiest to directly apply the glue to the inside wall with the pipette. Wait until a drop of glue separates from the tip. Then remove the pipette tip slowly without touching the walls. Put the vessel aside and pick up a sensor spot. Here, narrow tweezers are used to handle the spot, as this tool provides best control inside the small vial. Then place the spot with its pink side on the drop of glue inside the vessel. Now gently press down in the spot's center so the glue underneath is spread to the sides. Turn the container so you can better see the glue spreading. When the glue is evenly spread in the center, carefully press down on the outer parts of the spot so the glue is pushed all the way to the edge. Take care not to enclose any air bubbles in the glue. Finally, you can use a cotton swab to gently press down the sensor spot further, so a little bit of glue emerges all around the spot edge. And this is how an oxygen sensor spot is integrated in a glass vial. Now put the vessel in a dark place and let the glue cure for at least 12 hours. The same technique can be used for even smaller vials with narrow openings like this one here. Again, the glue can be applied directly to the inside vessel wall. Here you can see how the drop of glue slowly separates from the tip. Please do not try to wipe off the glue at the vessel wall. It would just spread unevenly instead of creating a nice round drop. In case an air bubble forms inside the glue, carefully try to push it towards the edge. A bit of glue should emerge around the edge to make sure the whole spot surface is attached properly, adjusting to the curve of the container wall. As always, place the vial in a dark place for at least 12 hours for the glue to cure. We hope this video will help you when integrating your own oxygen sensor spots in small glass vials.